Dick and Betty, we're back with your little angel, and we're using Molly here for a distraction. The world, I was just telling Victoria, is full of little Molly dogs that will come and chase you and bite at your heels. So, don't have the soundbox collar on today, but we're just going to work her off the leash. I'm going to be ready to use my nick if I have to. I'm predominantly using my pager, concurrent with every command. Meiska.
Molly!
Down. Oh, wonderful. So what I'm doing, because she's in that more distracted state of mind, is my turn away. Down. That's what we're always going to revert back to if she's more distracted. And then being able to get her down. The little clickety-click of the little nails coming up behind was a big distraction. All right, I'm just going to go back one more time. Meiska. Good. Heel. Heel. Good. Heel. Good girl. Good girl. Down. Good. Good girl. Meiska. Heel. Good. Down. Wonderful. Heel. Good. Keeping this arm in. I'm keeping the remote in this hand. Down. And I'm having a real strong signal for that down. More updates soon.